Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your display name on your Bluehost email. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to bluehost.titan.email to then fill in your email address. Click on next, then your password. Click on login. Now that you're inside your Bluehost email inbox, in order to change your display name on your email messages, simply click on this settings icon, then select preferences. Now from the account page, you will see your name. Now to edit it, simply click on this edit link like that. Now I will change it from Ben to, for example. Click on save. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now I will change it from Ben to, for example. Click on save. Now to make sure that my new display name is showing correctly, let's message myself. Check my new name. Click on send. Message sent. Now let's refresh my Gmail inbox to receive to check if I received this message. And this is my new name. The old one was Ben, and now it's Ben 2. Same thing here. And this is how to set, or this is how to change your display name on your Bluehost email. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.